Hello guys, I welcome you guys to this video. Guys, today I have a very nice strategy for you. This strategy can be used to trade currency pairs. As you guys can see on my screen, I'm on GBP USD, and also you could use this strategy to trade synthetic indices like boom and crash and volatility indices like VIX 75 and the likes of that. So I'm going to give you guys the settings for this strategy. First of all, the zoom level for the strategy, and then I'll give you guys a detailed explanation on how this strategy works. So kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and let's get started. So this strategy basically works based on the 5 minutes time frame and the 15 minutes time frame. So if you are the type that likes doing analysis on higher time frame, you could actually go to your 1 hour time frame. If you are a scalper, go to your 1 hour time frame. Look at what's happening in the market. If the indicators are giving you a sell, you come back to your lower time frame and look for sell entries only. So likewise, if on the higher time frame the indicator is giving you a buy signal, so you come down to your lower time frame like the 5 minutes time frame or the 1 minute time frame and look for a buy signal. So that is basically how you should use the strategy. So without wasting much of your time, let me give you guys the settings for the strategy. So for the settings, some of us don't know how to impute those indicators. So go to the F icon on the top of your screen. So you could actually click on the F icon or tap anywhere on your screen. So I'm going to tap any free space on my screen. So this is it. I've tapped it. So this is going to appear. So you click on indicators. So the first indicator we basically need 3 indicators mainly. So the first one is the RSI, relative strength index. So the period is 1, the apply to is close. Then the levels, very important guys. We have the 10, 50 and 90 levels. Please put it 10, 50 and 90. Then the styling, give it any color of your choice. Then give it 3 pixels for the styling. Then after doing that, you click on done, and then you click on done again. So then secondly, you tap again, click on indicators, then you go to your second indicator, which is under indicator window 1. You click on moving. You look for moving average. So the moving average is period 1, shift 0, method is exponential, apply to is close. After doing that, you click on done. So you tap on your screen again, click on indicators, and then you impute the last indicator, which is the second moving average, which is period 200, shift 0, method is exponential, apply to is close. You give it a different color from the first one so as to differentiate the moving averages. So after doing that, you give it 3 pixels and then you click on done. So this is what you should have on your screen after doing all this. So immediately you put on the indicators. Let me show you guys the zoom level. So this is the first zoom level, so this is the second zoom level, and this is the third zoom level. So this is how you put the zoom level. Then your screen guys, let me show you how to set your screen. Please, this is the correct way to set your screen. Don't set your screen like this. That's very wrong. Or set your screen like this. That's very wrong. Please always make sure your screen is here, somewhere around here. This is the best screen position. This is the best way to set your screen, guys. So please take note of this. A lot of you guys have been asking me question, the indicators are lagging and all that. So this is the reason why the indicators are lagging. It's because you don't set your screen very well. If you take it back or take it front, you see that the indicators are lagging, so it's going to be giving you false signals for entries. So make sure your screen is like this. So after doing that, and that's it. So the moment you set your screen on zoom level 3, and then you set your screen like this, make sure the recent chart is I don't know the word to use. Make sure the recent chart is on the same line with this shapes icon, object icon. So that is so that's the correct way to do that. You guys can see my screen and how and the position of the screen right now. So that's the proper way to set your screen. So after doing all that, let me give you guys the explanation. So basically, we have the 10 level, we have the 50 level, and then we have the 90 level. So the 10 level is the oversold region, 90 level is the overbought region, and then the 50 level is your take profit. So take profit one. So this is how you sell. So just like in this case, on the 90 level currently, the period 1 moving average and period 200 moving average have crossed over here. So what you should look for is you enter for a sell, just as I did here. This is on GBP USD 15 minutes time frame. So this is it, guys. So I entered for a sell and it's selling already. So likewise for a buy, okay, this is another entry signal for a sell around here. As you guys can see, there was a crossover here and then you sell. This is where the crossover happened. Sorry for that. This is where the crossover happened, exactly on this candle, exactly here. So then from there you sell, and then you take your profit on the 50 level. So most of us are scalpers, so you take your profit on the 50 level. If you want to hold the trade for long, you take your second profit at the 10 level. So that is it. So this is for the buy signal. As you guys can see here, there was a crossover here between the period 200 and period 10 moving average. So what you should do is immediately after the crossover, this was where the crossover happened, you enter for a buy around this candle, around here. So you enter for a buy, and that's how you ride all the way up. Your first TP is the 50 level, and then the second TP is the 90 level. So if you guys want to backtest, you guys can see that you can actually get a lot of signals in a day with this strategy. It works on currency pairs, it works on synthetic indices like volatility 75, volatility 10, volatility 100, volatility 50, and the likes of that. Also boom and crash, boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500, boom 300, crash 300. Step index, guys, try this strategy. It works fine. It's a very, very good one. So for those of you that have not joined the Telegram group, the link is down there in the description of this video. Please join the Telegram group, as I'm going to be dropping updates there frequently on the channel. So join the channel. The broker I use, the link is also down there in the description of this video. For those of you guys that want to check the Forex Masterclass, I left the link down there also. That's the first link in the description of this video. Check it out. If you're interested, you can enroll, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys, and peace.